Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my friend and I will present about comparison. Before that, I will introduce our group. The first is me, Lailatul Sahawa, and then second Aidan Nur Hamida, and the last Sona Zaidan Adib. Let's get straight to the explanation of the material. Comparison, Oxford Dictionary, an occasion when two or more people or things are compared. The process of comparing two or more people or things. Comparison indicate degrees of difference with adjective and adverb and may be equal and unequal. Three kinds of comparison. The first is equal comparison. An equal comparison indicates that the two entities are or are not, if negative, exactly the same. The formula equal comparison. The first is subject plus verb plus s plus adjective or adverb plus s plus noun or pronoun. The second, subject plus verb plus the same plus noun plus s plus noun or pronoun. Note: sometimes you may see so instead of as before the adjective or adverb in negative comparison. Example equal comparison. The verb is he is not as tall as his father. 2. My brother is not as naughty as they.
Okay, the second kind of comparison is unequal comparisons. This type of comparative implies that the entities are comparable in greater or lesser. There are two kinds of this comparison. They are comparative and superlative degree. The first, comparative. The comparative informs two entities and show a greater or lesser degree of differences between them. The verb is subject plus verb plus adjective plus er or adverb plus er, or more plus adjective or adverb, or less plus adjective or adverb, plus than plus none or pronoun. Now, you add er to the adjective or adverb based of one or two syllables, and you add more for three syllables or more. The example, my mother goes faster than me. Everything is more expensive than yours. We also can use this form for describe or for express comparative degree. The first form is subject plus verb plus far or much plus adjective or adverb plus er plus then plus noun or pronoun. The example is I walk faster than your bike. The second form is subject plus verb plus far or much plus more or less plus adjective or adverb plus then plus noun or pronoun. The example is Harry's watch is far more expensive than mine. The third form is subject plus verb plus the plus comparative plus of the two plus noun. The example is I read the more difficult of the two books. And the last form of comparative is of the two plus noun plus subject plus verb plus the plus comparative. The example of the two blanket, I use the smaller. And the second kind of unequal comparison is superlative degree. The superlative informs three or more entities are compared, one of which is superior to the others. The form is subject plus verb plus the plus adjective plus est, or most plus adjective, or least plus adjective, plus in plus singular pronoun, or of plus plural pronoun. Now, add est to the adjective consists of one or two syllables, and add most to the adjective consists of three or more syllables. The example is Vandra sings the most tunable in this song. Okay, the Third kind of comparison is multiple number comparatives. This is the form subject plus verb plus number multiple. Number multiples can include half, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and etc. Plus us, plus much or many, plus noun, plus us, plus noun or pronoun. The example is, this encyclopedia costs twice as much as the other one. This ring is pretty, but it costs twice as much as the other one.
Other kinds of comparative. A. Double comparative. The sentence begins with a comparative construction, and thus the second clause must also begin with a comparative. Formula double comparative. The plus comparative plus subject plus verb plus the plus comparative plus subject and plus verb. For example, the earlier you wake up, the faster you come to your school. For the second formula, the plus more plus subject plus verb plus the plus comparative plus subject plus verb. For example, the more he do math, the easier you got mathematics scholarship. B. Noun can also be used in comparison. Formula. The first formula is subject plus verb plus s plus many or much or little or few plus noun plus as plus noun or pronoun. For the example, he earns as much money as his brother. For the second formula is subject plus verb plus more or fewer or less plus noun plus than plus noun or pronoun. And for example, February has fewer days than March. See irregular comparatives and superlatives. Adjective or adverb. Far, comparative, farther, and superlative, farthest. Next, adjective or adverb. A little, comparative least, and superlative less. Adjective or adverb. Much or many, comparative more, and superlative most. Next, goodwill, adjective or adverb. For comparative, bigger, and for superlative, peace. And will adjective or adverb bad or badly in comparative words and superlative words. Maybe enough. That's all our group can say. More or less, we apologize for the amount. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.